We miss her too.
I miss my kid. Hello. Are you trying to scare me? I just want to come to say hi. What's wrong? I just miss my kid. Him again? Oh, we used to go camping in the wild, spending time together. Hey, maybe we should go camping with you. I'll tell the others. Really? Really? Are you serious? Yes. The Wild's never ever go camping with me no more. But never camped with me before. Maybe we should camp together, like the kid did. Maybe I should bring him here tonight and tell where our fellas used to sleep. So the people made him. Yep, I guess we can do.
Wowie! Camp Wild! And what is tonight? The Campfire Midnight Moonlight Wild Night Swim! Oh, this is gonna be the wildest night ever! I can feel it, buddy! Once everything is checked off my list, I feel wild too. Giselle, what you got?
Beach blankets?
Beach blankets, check. Mr. Beanie's got some beanies! Anyone else got something to bring for tonight?
Oh, I'll be bringing it. And before you ask, yes, I am very comfortable.
Something we can never unsee? Check. And that about does it. Let the countdown begin for the Midnight Moonlight Wild Night Swim! Yeek!
Morning, Piglet. Rise and shine. Pooh and I have come to take you camping.
Camping?
Yep, the great outdoors beckons.
Nature is calling.
Pooh, Tigger, I don't know. My house might miss me.
Oh, come on, Piglet, old pal. We're going to have oodles of fun. We'll build a campfire.
And eat honey.
And roast marshmallows.
And eat honey.
And bestest of all,
Eat honey?
no, sleeping under the wide open skies.
But what about the heffalumps and woozles?
Oh, let them find their own campsite.
No, I meant, well, although I've never actually met one, I hear they're very fierce.
Don't worry about them palookas. Why, if they showed up, I'll give them the old 1-3. I'll give them the 4-7. I'll give them the 8-2. Ha ha! Fool around with my arithmetic, huh?
This is it. Our own private beach. You mean the new Camp Wild Beach?
The temperature's perfect. Can I swim down? Can I please?
Of course.
Get wild, buddy.
Look out, catfish! This dog's getting vet and wild. Attack! Retreat! Retreat! Well, Elliot, we can finally...
Wait, what are we doing here? We're just here to go camping all together. Just like that me and my brother can do that. Wait, you and the boy used to camp here all day? Yep. And look what we made. We made and yep, we actually made ourselves as foxes, wolves. Yep. And we actually look the same. Cool.
God, I thought I brought more honey than that.
Hey, buddy Bear. I set up your tent. Now what do I do?
Perhaps if we had some firewood, we could light a fire. It's getting kind of dark.
That's it! Firewood! Great idea, Buddy Bear! Tiggers are experts at getting firewood. Where do I look?
Out there in the dark, spooky woods?
Firewood in the woods? Right you are! TTFN. Ta-ta for now. Nope. No firewood here. No firewood here either. Not even any firewood down here. This whole forest seems fresh out of firewood. Whoa! Topeka! I found it! Firewood!
Oh, I just can't wait until we reach our home sweet home. Oh, and just in time for a little lickle of honey.
Yes, Mama. There's nothing like honey. And there's no place like Gasp.
Our home. Someone has stolen our home.
Tigger, that's too much corn, and you're holding it too close to the heat.
Relax, funny boy. Popping corn is one of the things Tiggers do best.
I knew you put too much corn in that popper.
Oh, fiddlesticks. You just grew too much pop in your corn.
Hey, stay toast marshmallows. They're less noisy, and I'm full of that fluffy stuff.
In that case, how about some honey? It's very unnoisy, too. Oh, bother. It's also very unfull. Have you ever heard of a honeymoon, Piglet?
It does sound familiar, Pooh. But tell me the story anyway.
Yeah, a ghost story loaded with spookables.
Ghost story?
This spooky spine tingler's about to grab me gotcha. A shadowy shifteroo who loves to grab any shivering stranger in his creepy clawed crushes right before he goes gotcha! Oh, well, I guess that's why he's called a grab me gotcha instead of a please excuse me. Pleasant dreams. TTFN.
You didn't frighten me. I know there's no such thing as a grab-me-gotcha. It's a nice sleeping bag. Have you noticed how dark and spooky it is out here all of a sudden? Take it from me, Piglet. There is no grab-me-gotcha monster. Now go along to bed.
Excuse me, Piglet, but that's not your sleeping bag. Is it?
Someone should stay up and protect the corn from grab-me-gotchas, don't you think?
Well, that's very kind of you, Piglet. While you look after the corn, would you mind if I looked after you?
Not at all, Pooh.
You know, Moon, you look as if you would fit right here in my honey pot.
The moon has honey on it, Piglet. All I know, Pooh, is that it seems an awfully long way from home.
Yes, it's so very high. I'd have to stay up for a long time to get there. Oh, and I'm too sleepy to stay up any longer.
Night, Pooh.
Good night, Piglet.
What's that, Pooh? What is all this?
Keep your lip buttoned, Buster. The grab me gotcha got Piglet and old Pooh Boy.
That's the most ridiculous thing I've...
If we're going to save Fluff Boy and Piglet from that spookable, we have to be quiet. so he doesn't grab us too.
But I tell you, there's no shh. I have a feeling this is going to be a long night.